If you had an assistant that could help you create unique photos of your brand in a few minutes, would that make your life easier? These are some examples that were created on Caspa. Let me show you how it's done. First, go onto the caspa.ai editor. There are 4 tabs: a background remover, a product photo generator, stock photo generator, and image editor. The first thing to do is upload a clear, well-lit photo of your product. Just drag and drop and remove the background, then send to product photo generator. If you have one with a transparent background, then you can upload it straight to the product photo generator tab. In the prompt box, describe in detail what you want to see: the setting, the background, the color, the lighting. You could have it wherever you want it to be. Once you're happy with the prompt, click generate. Don't worry if it doesn't turn out perfect or if it takes a few tries. The next step will help us edit it more. Feel free to play around with the prompt inputs along with features in the advanced settings and generate different images. When you find one that you like, you can either save it or send it to the image editor. On the photo editor tab, you can edit a photo that you just generated or the photo in its original form. Once in the editor, use your mouse to paint over the photo on the parts you want to change or perfect. Here you can write some more prompts. For example, if you want a person to be added in the background or an object. If you like the photo but want to edit something small, send it back to the editor and paint over the thing you want to change. Repeat this as many times as you like. As the AI continues to train over time, the tech is getting better by the day. And voila! Save the photo and repeat. It's that easy. Now you're ahead of the game with Caspa, the AI-powered photo assistant editor at your disposal.